Are you looking for the best water filtration systems? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best water filtration systems on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. APEC ROES 50 Essence Series Water Filter. The APEC water filter system provides top-notch water purification designed and assembled in the USA, ensuring your drinking water is safe and healthy. It effectively removes up to 99% of contaminants, including harmful substances like lead and arsenic, giving you peace of mind. This WQA-certified system uses long-lasting filters that deliver clean, refreshing water, often surpassing the taste of bottled options. With a reliable design, you can expect a trouble-free experience while enjoying pure drinking water at home. What we like: high-quality water purification. Removes 99% of impurities. Long-lasting filters. WQA certified for safety. What we don't like: installation may require effort. Initial flushing needed. Number 2. Express Water Whole House Water Filter. Protect your entire home from harmful impurities and dangerous heavy metals with the Express Water Filter. This 3-stage water filtration system not only reduces impurities but also prevents the formation of scale and corrosion. With easy-to-replace cartridges and durable stainless steel frames, this filter is designed for long-term use. Plus, you'll have access to on-demand support from experts who can answer any questions you may have. Rest easy knowing that Express Water offers a 1-year warranty on all their whole home water systems. Please note that this system does not reduce total dissolved solids, TDS, but if you're looking for a filter that does, Express Water recommends their reverse osmosis systems. What we like: improved water taste and smell. Easy installation process. Excellent filtration quality. Clear drinking water. Effective against contaminants. What we don't like: requires occasional tightening. Number 3. Waterdrop G3 Reverse Osmosis System. The Waterdrop G3 Reverse Osmosis System is a tankless RO water filter system that is certified against NSF 58 for TDS reduction and NSF 372 for lead-free material. It has an 8-stage filtration process that can effectively reduce TDS, chromium, PFAS, fluoride, arsenic salt, iron, radium nitrate, calcium, particles, chloride, chlorine and heavy metals like hexavalent chromium. It also features a smart display faucet with a TDS monitor and filter life tracker, and offers a faster water flow of 400 gallons per day. The 1-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio saves water waste by 300%. What we like: effective TDS reduction. Produces clean, crisp water. Intuitive interface. Space-saving tankless design. Responsive customer service. What we don't like: requires power under sink. CF filter currently unavailable. Number 4. Waterdrop 15 UA Under Sink Water Filter System. The Waterdrop Direct Connect Under Sink Water Filter System uses innovative multistage filtration to reduce lead, chlorine, heavy metals, chemical impurities, sediment and other large particles. Certified by WQA against NSF/ANSI 42 standard, the water filter can effectively reduce chlorine, taste and odor. With a maximum service life of 24 months or 16,000 gallons, the system is easy to install and provides a fast and stable water supply with a full flow rate of 0.75 GPM at 60 psi. Ideal for drinking, cooking, skincare, and cleaning. What we like: easy installation. Great water taste. Affordable price. Reliable customer service. Efficient filtration. What we don't like: reduced water pressure noted. Hot water not filtered. Number 5. iSpring 3-stage Whole House Water Filter System. The iSpring Whole House Water Filter System is a DIY installation 3-stage filter that can remove sediment, chlorine, rust, herbicides, industrial solvents, iron, manganese, and more. The high-quality coconut shell carbon filter and polypropylene sediment filter are tested by an independent third party to meet NSF/ANSI standards. It has a capacity of 100,000 gallons of water and a 1-year manufacturer warranty with lifetime free tech support from U.S. local support team. The system is installed at the main water supply line and has minimum impact on water flow. It keeps healthy minerals in your water, and the cartridges are individually wrapped to ensure freshness. What we like: high-quality filtration system, effective removal of odors, exceptional customer service, easy installation process, durable and reliable design. What we don't like: potential need for additional filters. UV lamp may require replacement.